Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this macrame mandala. Stay tuned. Don't forget to take a screenshot of today's project details. Now let's get started. Find the center of your cord by folding it in half. Grabbing the loop on the opposite end, we're going to attach our cord using a lark's head knot. For this project, I find it easier to attach our cords in groups of 5. So I'm going to quickly attach all 5 cords right now. Next, we're going to tie square knots. However, we're going to skip the first and last cord. And as always, if I'm going too fast for you, feel free to adjust the speed of this video by tapping the 3 dots on the top right corner. Or if you're unfamiliar with your knots, go check out my knot tutorial playlist. I'll link it in the cards above. Alrighty, so once we got our first square knot tied, we're going to tie a second one right next to it with the next 4 cords. And don't forget, we're skipping the first and last cords, so you should have 1 extra. Okay, so next we're going to be tying another square knot right in the very center using the center 4 cords. Next we're going to grab those 2 cords that we had pulled off to the side, and we're going to use those as filler cords. So working on the left side, we're going to tie double half hitches around our left filler cord. And we're going to work our way all the way down to the bottom center. Then, using our filler cord on the right, we're going to do the same thing and tie double half hitches all the way down into the bottom center. Now, to close this gap, we're going to take our 2 filler cords and tie 1 more double half hitch. Alrighty, so we're going to repeat this same process a whole bunch of times until we use up all 60 cords. Now, I use the color goldenrod because this mandala kind of looks like a sun to me, so I thought it went well. However, you can mix the colors and create a stripe pattern if you like, or just use a completely different color entirely. It's totally up to you. Okay, I'm going to skip ahead and then show you what to do next. Alrighty, we're going to be making a diamond shape right in between our negative spaces. To do this, grab your original filler cord at the very point, and we're going to be tying more double half hitches. And we're going to angle our filler cord so that it follows the same line. Okay, I'm going to speed it up, and we're going to go all the way right straight down to the bottom point. Next, grab your filler cord that was on the opposite side, and we're going to be doing the exact same thing. Once you make your way all the way down to the very bottom, we're going to do the same thing we did before and tie our 2 filler cords together using another double half hitch. Alrighty, so let's continue on with this pattern and go all the way around our mandala. With a fine-tooth comb, brush out your fringe and voila! And what I like to do is I like to use a garment steamer, which makes my fringe extra straight. I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I recently shared a reel about this tip and everyone loved it. Next, trim your fringe, and yep, that is a pot lid. I prefer a pot lid because it has a handle and it's kind of easier to move around. But yep, trim your fringe. And this is what it should look like in the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.